What if the legendary Ford Bronco was transformed into a luxury street beast? Take one look at this incredible custom build, and you'll instantly understand why it's turning heads everywhere. This isn't your average SUV, it's a bold combination of muscle, luxury, and futuristic styling. Welcome back. Today we're checking out this stunning custom Ford Bronco concept that looks ready to dominate both the showroom and the streets. From its aggressive wide-body kit to those massive chrome wheels, every detail screams premium performance. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice is the deep metallic red paint that shines beautifully under the lights. The custom wide-body fenders give the Bronco a much wider and more aggressive stance. At the rear, the full-width LED taillights and illuminated Bronco lettering create an unforgettable look, especially at night. The sporty rear diffuser and large dual exhaust finishers make it look more like a high-performance SUV than an off-road vehicle. And let's not ignore those huge chrome wheels. They completely transform the Bronco's personality, giving it a premium luxury appearance while still maintaining its bold American identity. Performance. While this appears to be a custom concept, imagine it powered by Ford's twin-turbo EcoBoost engine producing over 400 horsepower. With advanced four-wheel drive, multiple terrain modes, and impressive torque, this machine could deliver exciting performance on highways and rough terrain alike. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out for a weekend adventure, this Bronco would have the power and confidence to handle almost anything. Interior and technology. Inside, you can expect a premium cabin with leather seats, a large digital instrument cluster, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium sound system, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and advanced safety technology would make every drive comfortable and enjoyable. This is where rugged capability meets luxury. Overall, this custom Ford Bronco concept proves that an off-road icon can also become a luxury showstopper. It combines aggressive styling, modern technology, and the bold spirit that made the Bronco famous. So, what do you think? Would you drive this incredible custom Bronco every day, or would you keep it as a weekend show car? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Revora Drive for more amazing concept cars, luxury SUVs, and future automotive creation. Now let's talk about the road presence, because this is where the Bronco truly stands out. Wherever this SUV goes, people simply can't stop looking at it. The aggressive body kit, extra-wide stance, and massive wheels make it look like something straight out of a Hollywood action movie. Imagine driving this through downtown at night. The glowing LED lights, deep exhaust note, and bold styling would instantly grab everyone's attention. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Comparison. But how does it compare with other full-size SUVs? Compared to vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Land Cruiser, or even the Range Rover, this custom Bronco brings a completely different personality. The Wrangler is built for hardcore off-roading. The Range Rover focuses on luxury. But this custom Bronco combines aggressive American muscle styling with premium luxury, creating something truly unique. That's exactly what makes it so special. Features we want. If Ford ever decided to build a production version like this, here's what fans would love to see. A powerful V8 engine with over 500 horsepower. An ultra-luxury leather interior. A panoramic sunroof. A 15-inch infotainment display. Digital side mirrors. Air suspension. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. And of course, Level 3 autonomous driving technology. If Ford offered all of that, this SUV could easily become one of the hottest vehicles on the market. Why everyone loves it? One reason people love the Bronco is because it has history. It represents adventure, freedom, and American performance. Now imagine combining that legendary reputation with futuristic styling and luxury details like this concept. It becomes the perfect SUV for people who want something different from everything else on the road. Even years from now, this design would still look modern and exciting. Ending. So, what do you think about this incredible custom Ford Bronco? Would you choose this over a Range Rover? Would you rather own this than a Jeep Wrangler? Let me know your opinion in the comments below because I read every single one. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Revora Drive, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest concept cars, luxury SUVs, muscle cars, and future automotive creations. Thank you so much for watching.